Hey everyone, so you're welcome in this is a listen. So basically, looking at this chart, you're gonna notice that the current price of grass is around $2.7. It's over $3 before, but it's kind of 4. So basically, in this video, I'll also be showing a particular site. Okay, it's also a network like grass, which has a potential of becoming something like grass also. And if you try to join as early as possible, once everything is done and the token is being shared, you can also earn a lot because there are a lot of people who actually make a lot of money from grass. So basically, for we to get started, okay, all we just need to do, let me come over to a new tab and let's search for this thing. Let me just come over to the Blast network first and foremost. And over here at the Blast network at the FAQ, this is what they just do. Okay, it's that's how it works. It's the first it's the world's first shared computer and global network powered by everyday device, from MacBook to desktop and everything in between. Instead of Amazon, Google and Microsoft repaying the reward of the internet we have built, you can instead. And here's how you can get involved. So install the extension, share your idle computer resources, and accrue time. So basically, this is the FAQ, and how our contribution calculated. You can read about this. It won't even store your device, and how does it work, and why should you care? So basically, for we to jump on it, we can just click on this get started button. But if we were to click on this get started button, guys, you'll be brought over here, and it not everyone is actually a developer, nor you maybe a Linux user. So basically, let's just come over to a new tab and search for plus network extension. Click on the enter button, and from this just click on the first link, and from there just click on the add button, and click on continue to install and click on add to extension. So we've added it to our extension here. It's done downloading, and this is it over there. So let's just click here and let's pin it and open our extension. Then after clicking on the extension you just downloaded, click on the login button, and over here. And also I want to note something. If you're actually a mobile user and you don't have a system, I'll also make a video on that, but it's also still the same process. I'll be making a video on that for you to know you can go over that. So let's just select Google, and so right now it's telling us not to reload the page after we selected the Google account we are going to use to log in. So yeah, this is this will be redirected, and if you currently notice, my total uptime is around 10 days, and recently I've not been that active, so I've been kind of busy. So yeah, let's click back on the extension itself, and if you notice, it's already running. Click on this view node first, and you will see the node that is actually running. It was this one that was running. So after logging out and logging in back, a new node was actually created. So that's just the reason why you're actually seeing the node over here. But let's just go back to our dashboard, and all you just need to do, as simple as you've seen me done it, you just have to go to the Chrome store, download the extension. Then once you're done downloading it, you click on the login button and it'll be taken straight to the login page. You log in. After you log in, everything just starts. Okay, and also note that if you copy your referral link or your referral code and you share it to your friends and family, also you will actually earn by referring them, because if you to come over here to your referral, you will see what you've earned so far from referring people, what you've earned so far. So just get to work and just share your unused computing, and you're gonna earn a lot once everything is done. So that's it for this video, guys. And if you actually love this video, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also drop a like. And if you have any question you want to ask, you can use the comment section. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, and love you guys.